So, here I am. Good morning. This is the Canberra EPIC Gravel Velodrome, where we'll be doing today's ACT gravel hour record. And yeah, it's almost 7 o'clock Saturday morning. Had to get through security because they're shutting up for the show in next weekend over there. Anyway, so here's my bike. This is a E.P.I.C X steel frame cyclocross bike, carbon fork disc brakes, fully prepped, i.e. put on aero bars, and alright, let's get out there. Alright, here we go. Velodrome, greyhound track, no, not greyhound, trotting track. The scene of my hour record, and this is the bike that I did it on. We'll get into a little bit more detail. It's a E.P.I.C X steel frame, carbon fork, disc brakes, cyclocross bike. These are actually my training wheels. I didn't have time to set up the other ones, but the interesting thing about this is that they have these tyres, which the only markings I can see on them are 28 by 1.6. But yeah, lovely rolling tyre on gravel. It's about 48 mil, from what I recall. Ooh. I'll edit that out. Yeah, nice big bags, roll well. They got a nice strip down the middle, and as you can see on this bike, I've got quite a bit of room for big tyres, so that's good. Starting at the back, I've got a Shimano 105 pretty much group set, and this one we're running 1136 mountain bike cassette with BB7 road caliper brakes on 160mm rotors. I didn't get a chance to count it. And it's a 50-34 compact group set. I like that, so you can run lots of low gears. So we have a 34-36 low gear, which is good because I also use this as my bike packing rig. Shimano 25th anniversary XGR pedals for that blueness. I run SBD pedals on all my bikes now. Just simple, so I can have one pedal system, one cleat system on my shoes. Matching Syncross seat post and stem, and matching Brooks leather saddle and Brooks bar tape in blue. And heading up here, we've got 2 matching Azure side load water bottles holders and the quad lock, where great phone holding system. That's where my phone goes, where it was for the hour. Keep an eye on my average speed and distance. And these are literally aero bars off when I did my last triathlon. Just a no-name cheap brand. They're actually really nice, so degree of adjustability, which is useful. Pads are a little bit thin, if I'm honest. And those are on a Thompson, I think it's a Katie Compton carbon bar, 44mm wide. Really nice. It takes the vibration out of the bumps out of your hands to a certain extent. Not that that was really that good, because I was on the air bars most of today. I won't say all of today because I hadn't done any training. 105s, carbon fork came with the bike. It's quite nice. It's quite stiff, quite sturdy, and the wheels are just sort of no-name brand hubs on disc hubs on alloy Regita Flyer rims, basic black spokes. These these rims have done a lot of work. They came as a spare set when I bought a Decathlon 8XC back in the day. So it was a mountain bike with came with a spare set of road wheels, which was awesome. Anyway, that's it. And the challenge to everyone is to come and ride the hour. Set the record at the gravel hour in Canberra. Alright, see you out there.